We start by adding spices, that is salt to taste, 1 tablespoon mixed herbs, 1 tablespoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 tablespoon paprika, followed by 1 tablespoon vinegar, 2 tablespoon cream, and 2 tablespoon soya sauce. Let it marinate for an hour or more, but if you do not have time, cook it right away. Toast the bread in oven while our chicken is cooking. Once the chicken is cooked, take it off the flame and dish it out. Use the remaining juice and oil from your chicken to add some capsicum. Mix in 2 tablespoons of mayo. Now, season with black pepper and paprika as desired. Add some ketchup and cook just until it's heated through.